right here, we actually have like terms on the same side of the equal sign. So 6 minus 5, that will give me my 1. So I'm going to put my positive 1 here. I'm going to bring in my negative 2n, my greater than or equal to sign, and my negative 11. So we want to isolate our n. So that negative 2n is going to stay right where it is. But I'm going to subtract this 1 on both sides. So negative 1 minus 1, that gives me a 0. And I don't need the 0 as a placeholder because right now I still have that negative 2n. So I'm going to bring down my negative 2n. I'm going to bring down my greater than equal to. And now I have a negative 11 minus 1. That gives me a negative 12. So this is the part that gets people. So I want to get n by itself. I have negative 2n. That means negative 2 times n. So I want to divide both sides by negative 2. So negative 2 divided by negative 2 gives me a positive 1, or you can just simply say n. Negative 12 divided by negative 2, that gives me a positive 6. But this is what happens. Anytime you multiply or divide by a negative number, not because you got a negative answer, but when you multiply or divide by a negative number, that's when you change your inequality sign. You change the direction of the sign. So it's not going to be greater than or equal to. In fact, it's going to be less than or equal to. And since we are so used to reading from left to right, we're saying that 6 is less than or equal to n. So if 6 is less than or equal to n, that means n is greater than or equal to 6.